Good morning, dear students. I will start chapter 6. The name of the chapter 6 is the combustion and flame. Combustion and flame. Introduction. In villages, people generally use wood or cow dung, cakes or crop residues to cook food. And in towns, people use kerosene oil or coke to cook food. And in cities, people use LPG gas for running light vehicles such as scooters and cars. And we use petrol for running heavy vehicles, and we use diesel oil in factories. We use coal or fuel oil or natural gas. So generally we used diesel, petrol as a fuel, coal also we used as a fuel, and the materials such as wood, cow dung, cakes, crop residues, kerosene oil, coke, LPG, petrol, diesel and natural gas have one common property, that is they produce heat on burning, and it is this heat energy which is put to different uses. The materials which produce heat energy on burning in air are called fuels. The materials which produce heat energy on burning in the air is called the fuels. Furthermore, some materials on burning produce flame and some do not. For example, a candle or coal gas on burning produces a flame but not the coal or charcoal. Now let us study the chemical process of burning and the types of flame produced during this process. What is combustion? The chemical process in which a substance burns in the air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy is called the combustion. What is the combustion? The chemical process. It is a kind of chemical process in which a substance burns in air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. And you have learned that when magnesium is heated in air, then it catches fire and burns with a dazzling white flame, producing a large amount of heat energy. Similarly, when a strip of paper is brought near a candle flame, it burns to produce heat and light energy. And the charcoal on heating burns to produce a large amount of heat and dull red light. So, the materials which burn are commonly called combustible materials, and the air or oxygen which helps in burning is called the supporter of combustion. Which help in the burning is called the supporter of combustion. And the chemical reaction which takes place with the release of heat and light energy is called the combustion. Now combustible material, a material which on heating in air or oxygen easily catches fire and release heat and light energy is called the combustible material. Now let us perform the following activity to learn more about the combustion. So activity 6.1, collect materials like dry grass, paper, iron nails, stones, glass pieces, candle, charcoal, matchsticks, plastic, cotton clothes, etc. and burn each of them in a spirit lamp or candle flame by holding the materials with the fire tongs. Then you will notice that the materials such as dry grass, paper, candle, charcoal, matchsticks, plastics, cotton, cloth catch fire. That is the combustion takes place. However, the materials such as iron nails, stones and glass pieces do not catch fire. Such materials are called the incombustible materials. So we can conclude that for the combustion, there must be a combustible substance. Wood, paper, coal, charcoal, coke, hydrogen, liquefied petroleum gas, natural gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, furanic oil, alcohol, either benzene are also example of combustible substances. So till here you will take the division.